Hello YouTube. Yeah. Sorry about not making a video in a while. I've been busy. And I totally forgot. That sounds like a good enough excuse. So, we got a little bit of stuff going on lately. This might... No, you probably can't have read it anyways. But, this is my new little toy. Man, this thing's big. So, I just ordered this on Monday. It's a Edwards Fire Shield. 1000, I can't remember. It's a... focus, please. Focus. Thank you. EFS 1004RD. Fire Shield. Yeah. It's in trouble because I don't have a battery. I don't have batteries. I could probably buy 2 7-amp hours. I'm going to do the calculation. Come on. Focus. There we go. So, yeah, battery trouble. So, apparently, this is new. It came with an FS tap for some reason. I don't know why, but high voltage. Just a 3-prong cable. Just wired it up. It's that black cable right there. Come on. Thank you. Transformer. And then here's everything. Has zone disable. So I can disable a zone if I'd like. Goes to disable and then zone trouble. If I wanted to undisable something, just have to hit disable. Yeah, so I've got a little demonstration set up. I've got my Gentex Commander 3 set on continuous, but this panel is set on code 3. And then I've got my T-bar here. So this is probably going to be really loud. Probably. But I put some tape over it, so hopefully it should not be as loud. Come on here. Close. Oh, there we go. Right. Yeah, no batter. So that's kind of mad at me. So I'm gonna do it all the way. It's not as loud right now because it's on low volume. It's really loud. And I put tape over it even. Okay, that's interesting. Never heard that one before. Acknowledged. Candela set 110 Candela. Can't see it. Silence that. I just got the nice strobe. Huh, my iPad is actually catching every flash. And since the pulsation is now reset, we just actually let me see if I can do realign. Doesn't work. Okay, where do I put my keys? Alright, they're on the panel. So close that. Lock it. I guess there is no realarm. I'll have to take a look at them. Hey! Focus. Thank you. I need a better camera. But this is what I have. Reset. And then get my key here. Actually, this key says fire alarm and cat 45. I don't know what that means, but we'll something. Oh, come on, focus. Fine, do that. Okay. Alright. Wait, what isn't... Oh, no, it's signal sounds. I just got this today, so I'm still not used to it. Just reset it. Reset takes a minute. I mean, actually not too long. Not as long as the 4005 does, but... No, 4000... I can't remember something. That one simplex panel. Because after all the lights go out, it still has to reset. Because right now it's not battery trouble, and if I were to pull it right now, it wouldn't do anything. I'll just show you that. Wait, let me grab the keys. No. It's already reconnecting. There we go. And it goes into battery trouble. Goes into trouble, so I just have to hit. Come on, focus. Panel silence, which is right here. and it stops. So then I can just close the panel. But it isn't going to because it's unlocked right now. It's locked. I can take out my keys. So yeah, that's my new little toy, Fire Shield by Edwards. Ordered it on Monday for $190 new, and it's in the original packaging still, actually. I guess it's still got everything on it. You just can't really see it too well. Consignment model, but it works. I'm not sure what that was there. It was just like, yeah, screw it. And it went wacko, so I couldn't horn to something. I don't know. It might have been power block up here. Or it might have been the panel. I have a feeling it was the panel because this is an older model. But still, it's really nice, I must say. Okay, thanks for watching, and expect more Sizzling tests coming soon. Alright, see ya.